Hey going guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at whether or not a Xbox 360 controller will work on the Nintendo Switch Lite. Now, I've never tried this before, so we'll see whether or not this will work together. I've done other videos where I've tested out a PS3 and PS4 controller, and they all did not work. But I'm wondering whether or not this would work being a different brand. Now I've got the Rock Candy Xbox 360 controller, plugging it into my Nintendo Switch. Now, moment of truth, will this work? And the answer is... no, this does not work. Does not work, just like the PS4 and PS3 controller, unfortunately. And I can see the controller is lighting up like it wants to synchronize with the Switch, but it does not work at all. Alright, that's it for this one guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.